Morning guys, welcome back to day 2 of the project. We are out here at the same job. It's freaking cold this morning. So what we've got going today is we have got the AT&T guy. He's here to fix the line that we busted yesterday. As soon as he wraps up, we'll start backfilling the wall over here. Then we will start placing the top row. In fact, let me spin you around so you can see it. We'll start placing the top row along here. We've got one more, I believe, one more course of block. I was wrong in yesterday's video. We got one more full course, and then we've got the top caps. We're actually gonna take this side, we've decided. It's gonna be hard to see. This block right here starts right at the corner of this one. And so what we've decided to do is we're gonna remove the top course here. We're gonna take the bottom course and scoot it over to about here on this block. That way the wall is interconnected a little better, and it's gonna help us when we get to our end over here. So, that being said, I'll catch you in the machine here in a minute, and we'll start craning some block. Just so you can jumpy jack it? So the idea is we're backfilling this, but you get a ton of fluff. So I'm gonna make it smooth enough you can actually use a jumping jack on it. We'll kind of pack it down a little bit. Okay. Also going to try to work as much in this footprint as I can, just so we don't jack up any more of the yard that we have to then topsoil, seed, and straw. The less restoration you have to do, the better. Is that line going to be all right? It looks like it's stretching tight there. Okay. I can kind of nose it in. I'll smear it around like I did on that other side. Hopefully you guys can see it. I didn't think about the fact that it's so low. Hopefully I'm not shooting over top of everything. Oh no, you can see. All right. as you can see, we are getting the yard back. So we've got this whole area shaped. I've kind of got a swale started right here, but we've got enough material left over from when we dug this out. And we're gonna start to raise this area. We might not have as heavy of a swale as we started with. So Rick's carting material over, and I'm gonna start shaping it up against the wall, and we'll see where we end up. I said that yesterday or not, but every freaking fall and spring my allergies go nuts when the weather transitions. So what I'm gonna do is actually kind of work this the opposite. I'm gonna pull all this material up to the top and kind of work my way down. And the reason I'm doing that is because this swale at the top is gonna determine how high we can be down at the bottom. So has to go back tomorrow, so I'm trying to shape the swale as best I can so that tomorrow Rick can come in here with the skid and really just slick everything off is the goal. Is that going to make your yard too steep for you to mow? That was our concern doing it that way. Fine. So you want to take this guy off?
Just this one?
Yep.
So underneath this, get the chains, I'll get the
sorry, I didn't think you guys did.
No, that's totally fine. Like I said, our concern was just it was going to be kind of a dive at the end.
No, I just
want to hear.
it could be uptight against
You got it.
Kansas lower.
And then the backyard.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
that'll take 10 minutes. It's not like it's that big of a deal.
yeah, that's gonna take too long now. That's not a big deal.
So we're gonna take this top piece off over here, apparently. She wants one more. So I'm just gonna clean that dirt back away from it. We'll put one more top piece, and the one that you see that I'm nudging up against right here, that guy is gonna bump towards Rick one more. shaping this swale as I come down. At least I hope you can see I'm shaping that swale. You know, you guys have probably noticed my camera angles in the excavator the last couple times haven't been the best. It's what you get having a rookie at this. We'll get it figured out. All right, so we're at the end of day 2 and we are 95% done. So essentially, Rick's gonna come back tomorrow and throw down topsoil, slick off the backyard, but the retaining wall is done. As you can see, we are standing up here on the high ground. I'll show you the face in a second. So here's the backyard. I've got it relatively smooth. It's just gonna take, I don't know, 15-20 minutes worth of slicking off with the skid steer, and then maybe a smidge of topsoil just to dress it up. So I'd imagine a couple hours worth of work and he'll have this wrapped up. So that turned out pretty nice. Let's walk back down here. So if you recall, while we're up here, right there is the gutter tie-in. That drain tile runs all the way down here, comes around the corner, and we have the outlet coming out right here. So that will take all the gutter water. It'll run down the drive about 10 feet before it dives off in this ditch line and away it goes. And so here's the actual wall. Boy, Rick decided to fire that up at just the right time, didn't he? Glad that's not loud or anything while I'm trying to make a video. All right, so here's the wall. Looks pretty nice compared to what we started with, don't it? Nice stair step down. Nice usable drive. And it doesn't look like garbage. And the bigger concern with the old wall was it doesn't look like it's gonna topple at any second. So that's why you hire a professional company to do your retaining walls, especially if you're gonna go over like 3 or 4 feet, because you can get yourself into some trouble really quick, because now you're talking death territory if it decides to cave in while someone's next to it. So again, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog style. I really have a good time filming these. I would have liked to have gotten some more footage today, but it was just me and Rick, so we were trying to rush and get this done before that that CX-80 had to go back. So yeah, that's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for the support. Hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video, guys.